Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. One of the pillars and disciplines of this holy season, Lent, is our resolve to deepen our prayer. And right from the very beginning of our gospel today, before Jesus taught his disciples the prayer, Our Father, he said this simple warning. In praying, do not babble like the pagans who think that they will be heard because of their many words. Do not be like them. Maybe some of you may have heard a person or a baby who babbles. They seem to be fast. They seem to say a lot of words. And sometimes we do not understand what they are talking about. And just as Jesus warned that we don't babble like them, He gave us a beautiful prayer. Yes, relatively short. Palagi natin itong dinadasal, nasaan man tayo, all we need to have is there. But once more, let me go back to that warning of babbling too much. Marahil po tatanungin natin, kapag ba nagdadasal, palaging may salita? Certainly, because prayer is a communication. Does it need to be lengthy? Not all the time, because we pray with our hearts. And sometimes, we pray without words to describe how we feel. Madami ang luluhod sa mga altar, sa mga simbahan, inside the adoration chapel maybe, smiling in front of the Lord because of the many blessings received. Some would kneel down, sit, pray, and would just cry out hard. Some would even say, Lord, pagod ako. Lord, naiinis ako. Lord, give me patience. Lord, pahinga lang ako saglit. Lord, thank you for this, thank you for that. As much in prayer we need to communicate, it is also enough to express what is inside, even with no words or lengthy words to say. Just by sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying the love of God, as Jesus promised, God knows what you need even before we ask it. Just you, your honest you, your sincere you, your happy you, your tired you, your grateful you, and the many experiences in life can be a prayer we can utter to the Father. Not much words, enough words, and even sighs to blot out. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy that someone, our Father, is listening to you. Say what you need, express what you feel, give what you need, and let Him, let the Father do the work for you. Let it become true for you.